Tired of war, lads. Tired of war. Tired of bombing. Tired of profit making on the from the blood of others. Tired of clearance. Tired of occupation. The only occupation I like is mine. Music and love.
I'm going to sing a song. I hope it comes across well. I haven't actually sang it. I've just been singing it to myself to try and hold on to my beleaguered mind.
Is it beleaguered?
Yeah, it was. Well, everything sounds a bit funny again. Right, but I'm going to sing it because it's hard to put words on things,
yeah.
Especially when you're being, when all that stuff is pouring into you. Like the I don't know. I remember in a schoolyard, as soon as something is happening over there, all the kids shout AG, AGR. You run to it, you see it. You know what I mean? Now I'm only talking really basic stuff when you're a little fella. You know, if it gets too messy, it's split. It's all. Yeah. You know, everyone knows, like we're creatures like birds or dogs, we all know stuff instinctually, do you know? Yeah. But if the rich kid whose father is paying for the school is sitting on the poor kid beating the shit out of him, all the kids are going to stop it, and it just looks like that's what's happening. Yeah. That's what's happening, and the rich kid's paid for, and he can beat the shit out of the poor kid all day, every day in the play school, and all the other kids can do fuck all about it. Because the school's been paid for by the rich fella. That's what's going on here. That's it. Like, you know. I mean, we're all stuck in a hoop. Everyone who's normal, I consider normal, just people with feelings. You know, you feel stuff. It's fucking, that's why we watch telly. But, yes, we're all being tricked out of having any power over anything. Because the rich people have, they paid for it, you know what I mean? Anyway, so Ó'Maonlaí, because Tusha Osgraig, I think in Irish most of the time, but so all I'm saying is the chorus, the gist of it is I'm saying I'm trying to imagine. I'll say it really briefly. I'm trying to imagine being I'm not righteous, you know what I mean? Like a drop of a hat, I'd go for it. Anyone pisses me off enough, I'll go all the way. That's a fact of my being. Do you know what I mean? So I'm not preaching pacifism or anything like that. I don't want to be misunderstood. But so in the song, I'm imagining if I was an Israeli soldier, here's how it would look like from me. Because that's all I can do is imagine being the opposite or the other person. And I think it'd be pretty tricky, you know. I think that uniform would scratch around me about this stage. Do you know what I mean? I find it really hard to justify what my mates are doing. Do you know what I mean? I wouldn't want to be in that gang after a while because, like, they've gone too far fucking years ago. So I'm imagining, anyway, this is my attempt just to make sense to myself. I imagine myself as that, and that's how I can try and understand what people are doing. So the gist of the chorus is there's no such thing as the enemy. It's just something. It's just something you made up and you tell yourself. I hope you like it. The chat's nice too.
Come on then. Thank you.
I'm going to pay now.
Cheers, Arnold.
I'm going to say, Darnock, are we finished? Is that it? Did that get just too serious?
You don't ask them.
They paid in to see us, Liam. Fair. All these beautiful people in Tullamore. Cool town.
Okay, check out this.